अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर किड्स, टुडे वी लर्न द नेम ऑफ द मंथ्स और साथ साथ हम उर्दू में भी महीनों के नाम याद करेंगे। Name of the months. There are 12 months in a year. उर्दू में साल के 12 महीनों के नाम। January. January is the first month of the year. January. उर्दू में जनवरी। February. February is the second month of the year. February. उर्दू में फरवरी। March. March is the third month of the year. March. March. उर्दू में मार्च। April is the fourth month of the year. April. April. उर्दू में अप्रैल। May is the fifth month of the year. May. May. उर्दू में मई। June is the sixth month of the year. June. June. उर्दू में जून। July is the seventh month of the year. July. July. उर्दू में जुलाई। August is the eighth month of the year. August. August. उर्दू में अगस्त। September. September is the ninth month of the year. September. September. उर्दू में सितंबर। October is the 10th month of the year. October. October. उर्दू में अक्टूबर। November is the 11th month of the year. November. November. उर्दू में नवंबर। December is the 12th and last month of the year. December. December. उर्दू में दिसंबर। Now the quiz time. How many months are there in a year? Good. Answer the question. 12 months in a year. Yes, you did it. You have learned the name of the months. There are 12 months in a year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. उर्दू में साल के 12 महीनों के नाम। जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, अगस्त, सितंबर, अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर।